Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
अन्न सुरक्षा दिसा निमतान FDAन 3 नवे उपक्रम सुरू केल्यात. न्यूट्रिशन एज्युकेशन सिरीज, स्ट्रीट फूड वेंडर्सां खातीर FoSTaC ट्रेनिंग आणि इंटरस्टेट शेफ चॅलेंज अशे हे 3 उपक्रम आसतले.
It is a nutrition education series through which the department will mobilize certified nutrition experts to promote evidence-based nutrition awareness among the public. The second initiative is a multi-city chefs challenge, a unique platform that will bring together professional chefs, culinary students, home chefs and aspiring culinary enthusiasts. The third initiative is the launch of FoSTaC training for 1,000 street food vendors across the state. This program is being undertaken in collaboration with Nestle and Nasvi.
Under this initiative, basically we focus on street food vendors, healthy and hygienic lifestyle that they have to adopt on the streets where they serve food to the consumer. Because at Nestle we practice on safe food for our consumers, so we thought that's something that we should go beyond our territory and help the consumer where indirectly street food vendors serve them. So this not only helps them to maintain good hygiene and health, but it also has a revenue model built in for them where they are able to enhance their earnings and also protect the environment in a better way.